Transmissions, they fail 4 to 1 over engines, and yet most people forget to service their transmission while still remembering to change their engine oil. Hello, I'm Dave Riccio, owner of Tri-City Transmission and Auto Repair. Many auto manufacturers have hidden the requirement to service the transmission in the fine print. Why? Because they don't want you to know the true cost of owning one of their vehicles. How do I know this? Year after year, we are repairing and remanufacturing transmissions long before their first scheduled maintenance service. So do you need to service your transmission? Yes, absolutely, as long as it's done right and by a technician who truly knows the inner workings of a transmission. Unfortunately, that's more rare than one might think. So when someone tells you your transmission doesn't need service, that your transmission is somehow sealed, or that servicing your transmission will cause it to go out, you need to move on, as they truly don't know transmissions. We successfully service dozens of transmissions every month with our unique proven system utilizing only factory fill transmission fluid, pre-service and post-service transmission analysis, and only transmission-specific technicians. Call us today or schedule a transmission service online that exceeds industry standards when it comes to your transmission. We'll see you soon.